What is uniform velocity? Uniform velocity means a particle travels in the same direction. Direction is not changing. So it travels in a fixed direction and covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, however small these intervals may be. So the particle will travel equal distances in equal intervals of time, and however small we make the intervals, this will be valid. Then we say velocity is uniform. That means v vector is equal to constant in both magnitude and direction. Direction should not change, the magnitude should not change, then it is uniform velocity. A particle may be moving in a circle. The speed everywhere is constant, but the direction is continuously changing. So this is not uniform velocity. Not uniform velocity. Or the particle may be moving in a straight line, but here it is moving at 40 km per hour. Afterwards it goes at 50 km per hour, and that is also not uniform velocity. The particle has to travel in a fixed direction and cover equal distances in equal intervals of time. However small these intervals may be, then it is uniform velocity. What is non-uniform velocity? Non-uniform velocity is also known as variable velocity. So velocity is changing. In how many ways velocity can change? Velocity can change in magnitude, like here. It can change in direction, like here. It can change in both magnitude or direction. Here the particle may move in a circle and the speed may also be changing. So when velocity changes, either in magnitude or direction or both, then velocity is said to be variable. Now we need to understand average velocity. What is average velocity? Is average velocity the average of velocities? What is average velocity? Average velocity is defined as total displacement by total time. So this is the definition of average velocity, total displacement by total time. The particle may have several displacements, d1 vector plus d2 vector plus d3 vector plus dn vector, and time for this displacement is say t1, t2, t3 and so on. So these are the time for the various displacements. So this is what is average velocity. Average velocity is total displacement by total time. So each displacement will be its velocity into the time for that displacement. So v1 t1 plus v2 t2. This is the displacement 2. Same way v3 t3 plus vn tn. And we divide by the total time. Then we get what is called average velocity. So average velocity is total displacement, we can call it capital D vector, by total time, capital T. So this is the definition of average velocity. Same way, average speed, only the vector sign will not be there. Average speed is total distance travelled. So total distance by total time taken. So you add all the distance travelled, d1 plus d2 plus up to dn by t1 plus t2 plus tn. This is what is average speed. We want to write in terms of speed, v1 t1 plus v2 t2 plus vn tn by t1 plus t2 plus tn. Exactly same kind of equation, only the vector sign is not there because speed is a scalar. So average velocity is total displacement by total time, and average speed is total distance traveled by total time taken.